whenever you cock it up. Pull up our 20 matic aspa. Wednesday, empty barrel attack. How will them say?
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. Yo, it's been a minute. Yeah man, it's definitely been a minute since me forward over here so on YouTube. That's what I say. And while I was away from YouTube for a while, a whole heap of things go on, including the most recent hurricane by the name of Beryl, we deal with the place away. But me just hope and pray say yo, every single Line TV viewers and subscriber, alright. And we over here so as Line TV, we good too. That's what I say. But yeah, life goes on. We see once again, Massacre, Alkaline, all of the artists them, their songs are dominating graduations, high school graduations for another year. And we love that for the artists. We see which part squash out of nowhere. Just come take with the summer from Armani, just like that. Armani Fiesta run the place and then bam, big breeze. You see what I say? Out of nowhere. We see which part Popcaan violate DJ Mac, yeah man in our parking lot, big war, and then now we see Teejay while performing and make the people them know say yo, no boy can deal with him like how Popcaan deal with DJ Mac. But yeah what Teejay, even you come talk out your mouth, remember say you see him one of run away from Byron Messiah up a foreign. So easy yourself. You see what I say. Movado back in the UK after 15 years. Based on what me see, Skillibeng get double conk from Dancehall. Yeah man, not from me, but from Dancehall. Because him forward out and add Alkaline in the top 5 most lyrical Dancehall artists. And while stating that Alkaline is in the top 5, everybody else when him talk about basically have some form of affiliation with Gaza except Alkaline. You see what I say? So we see him get one whole heap of conk for that. But him also get more conk for a performance where him do. And if you ask me, them conk there are where him deserve. Yeah man, one whole heap of man up there wind up almost a wind up on Skillibeng. No, we not support that. Over in New York, we see which part Rygin King was arrested in a big gun burst. You see what I say? Him now come out on bail and him send a message directly to Sir P and the media outlets them. Viewers and subscribers, we have all of this to speak about in this report. But before we go further into details, may I ask you for them one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you will be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. When you reach this far, so please may I ask you, give this video a like. We'll get straight into it.
Them pussy not no cash. What you have, what you know about squash? What you know? 80 grand when me pay for me watch. And gabble over me top. We pretty finish it over me fuck you up. Them drop it pussy me.
So up first, we see that video here with Movado. You see what I say, landing in the UK, and based on the caption, they must say, yo, Movado land in the UK after 15 years. Viewers and subscribers, yeah man, a good look that for the artist. If you stay grounded in America for how long, because we don't know that in Jamaica I'm not forward. You see what I say? And him not really gone away too tough. We see me around there on a stage in America every now and then. But if you know say yeah, the boss can touch in the United Kingdom after so long and not normal. And me notice a pattern to I know just him but a lot of the artists them with them UK visa was revoked. We see which part them take them time and I touch back in the place. Yeah man, even in America, so like I said, the artists them things start free up and now. We don't know why, but yeah, it is a good look. And everybody don't know, so we in the graduation season. You see what I say, probably it has just come to an end. And we see whole heap of video on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, all over, where the students them are sing them graduation song. And then now we also see them a perform them graduation song. And we see enough of the artists them a get a forward, especially Massacre and Alkaline. Yes, what I say. Alkaline songs has now become a staple in a graduation, and we see it continue once more, and we love that for the artists them. Yes, what I say. A full generation, a film generation. So when them could have sing Shabarangs and Buju Banton come on, why them can't sing Alkaline and Massacre, a solid thing figure. We now waste no more time on that. So yeah, we are move right along.
Don't envy. Bag a pussy picture when they not stop send me. Bigger ball game, watch it entry.
So about 2 weeks ago, maybe 3, we see a little video circulate with Popcaan and DJ Mac having an altercation in our parking lot. You see what I say? Whole heap of things go on, whole heap of people share them views, whole heap of people share them opinion. In fact, DJ Mac just do a podcast with Jeffrey. I don't watch it as yet, but based on what I see, it looked like say explain what go on and whatever the case may be. So an altercation did happen. Now as regards to them saying DJ Mac get boxed down and get beat up and whatever, nothing like that. It just looked more like it was DJ Mac alone and the whole of the Popcaan entourage and Popcaan himself I try to turn down on him. You see what I say? But we're not going to talk about that, and so I say I'm not going to show it over here, so because we're not try to go against the YouTube community guidelines and them thing there. You see what I say? But then now we see dancehall artist Teejay decide say yo in one piece of it, and we see him take it to the stage while performing, and this is what Teejay have to say. Now you see you Teejay, just like Silk Boss, one of the best young artists, can't take that from him. Yeah, one of my favorite right now. Me have Wull for Silk Boss track, yes what me I say. But Silk Boss cannot come out and sing no bad man song and we take him serious. Him cannot come out and sing no gangster song and we take him serious just because of the Gulf incident. Teejay, you're almost in another bracket there. Byron Messiah, book in America, if I not lie, I think I New York, correct me if I'm wrong. Yes what me I say. And him rush up and you have to run. Byron Messiah himself, we see him celebrate all over Instagram immediately after the incident. And you will see come out a ball. In fact, if I not lie, I think you did confirm, you did say, yeah man, him rush me or whatever, and you alone or something of that sort, or when you want to step to him, like whatever the case may be. But based on everything, you basically confirm everything what Byron Messiah said. And you have to run up and down. So I don't understand how you come out now and I come talk about no boy can box you up like how Popcaan box up DJ Mac. Come on, Teejay. I know everything if you run in. You see what I say. But viewers and subscribers tell me your thoughts about Popcaan and DJ Mac altercation, and then Teejay now taking it to the stage and I make the world know say no boy can step to him like how Popcaan step to DJ Mac when Byron Messiah rush him and he have to take with himself. We move right along.
6 in Miami, you better pay tax. Ready word. Top shatters is bad, big brain.
So Skillibeng came under huge scrutiny from the dancehall community, especially the Jamaica diaspora. And viewers and subscribers, me not tell no lie, me is not one of them we are gonna run out and bash a artist said this and bash a artist said that. But at least one of the count them, Skillibeng, deserve. You see what me I say. Now, what am I bash him for? I think it was the BET award him did a perform with well, before we get to that, I think it was also the same BET award. Them go Obama and them ask him say yo, list the 5 most lyrical dancehall artists. Him list himself, him list Massacre, him list Vibes Cartel, Idonia, and then now him list Alkaline. Now everybody we say Gaza, you don't know, most people say Gaza, a bash him and I say yo, a style out the man the way I talk about Alkaline. Alkaline depend them level there. But even though I can agree, say Alkaline not seems to be as lyrical as he once was, we still cannot take the fact from it say yo, Alkaline lyrical. And this what me want say every single time I say it, you don't know the Gaza fans them get disgruntled, but it's the truth. Remember, Alkaline is the only man in history who clash Gaza and win. Alkaline is the only man in history who take on the entire camp and Alkaline don't lose. You remember when we did the 6 them? Come on, viewers and subscribers, be honest. Alkaline clashed the entire 6 camp and Alkaline never lose. Him clash the entire Gaza and Alkaline never lose. You think a boy step to Vibes Cartel? You think a boy step to Labas? Alkaline done it all. One place Alkaline left for robot and over the genocide. Yes, what may I say, viewers and subscribers, Alkaline is very lyrical. So Skillibeng not tell no line away him say. So I don't understand why so much people are come at him. So right now, me not even want to miss that. Yes, what may I say. However, what Skillibeng deserve the comfort is this. Check it out. Yeah man, so as you can see while performing, we see one whole heap of man. Some of them come like they are half dressed, a wine up, and me I tell them type of wine they close to the artist. Yo, that no look good. That nothing happen. And viewers and subscribers, me not see the entire performance, so me cannot tell you if them do that round. I think Tyler, I think Guy Man Tyler that perform. But come on, go do that round the female. Me see Foota Hype say something and I true. Yo, nobody know. Hey, right now, an artist I go perform I want high school. Them rears. And you go tell me say big BET award and you don't rears. Come on, after rears and know say yeah the man them all come round and wind up and that closer, that's the problem too. But yeah what? You see no found and uno cause it. Because the man then can't jump no girl song you all on the pan TikTok and wind up to FaceTime all on the pan the girl them can't even dance no more because of the man them. Everything them a wind up. But then man not dance to girl song. Man dance with girl to girl song. But uno youth nowadays, every minute on the pan TikTok a wind up. So that's why I mean that if one meds no found when me see uno come out and go and like uno bash the artist because of that, you know. Cause you uno doing the same thing. But the problem is that uno in dancehall is a nobody, while Skillibeng is a everybody. So that's why I thought anyway viewers and subscribers, tell me your thought down below. And Skillibeng naming Alkaline in the top 5 most lyrical dancehall artists. And Skillibeng also having one whole heap of man there on him, almost a wine pan him. We are move right along. Now the last thing we are going to touch upon. Yeah man, we see a thing forward out. Dancehall mag to be precise. We see them put out a little article and you don't know when you come on to dancehall mag get everything first. You see what I say, and they are very credible. That me can always say. So we see them put out a thing and them make the world know say, yo, Rygin King, dancehall artist Rygin King has been arrested in New York and slapped with multiple charges in regards to gun. Yes, what I say, ammunition, all of them little thing there. And we say, wait, Rygin King? No man, I can't Rygin King. So we look and we see after dancehall mag, we see the Glean and Observer where people consider to be more credible when really and truly a dancehall mag them get it from, but yeah, we're not getting at that. Anyway, we see all of them are running with it. Rygin King arrested. We get to find out say, yo, his wife was also arrested and I think 2 more persons based on what them say. I think early in the morning around 3 o'clock, police pull over the vehicle. Rygin King was in the front passenger seat. And when they go to Obama and they run some check, the man full up a clip. Yeah, man, literally ammunition like an army base. You see what I say? So them decide how them all put him in a custody. We see which part the popular YouTuber Sir P, I think him do 1 or 2 video about it. And him state some things. And then now after him state some things, we see which part. Yesterday, Rygin King upload a video to him Instagram status. And him make the world know say, yo, thanks for your support. Rygin King Gov. You see what I say? Him no understand how him just drop him album and he not get no promotion, he not get no forward like how this get forward. But this is what I have to say. Rygin King, come on. You are silly. You are very, very silly. But you know, have to make the world see you that silly. Everybody and them mother know say nothing sells like bad news. Nothing spread like bad news. Rygin King, if you go so bam and post up you with 1 million K camera scene of you acting a movie or of you dropping a music video or you singing, check how much clips, check how much click, how much people view it. But if you go so bam now and post a picture or a video of you then in prison, then you would have to see. Come on, Rygin King, you know better than that. As what I'm saying, you are very silly, you know. And at that way I get to know, you know, you are very silly. But you coming out and I say, you know, understand how them do this and them do that and they not promote this and them not promote that. Come on, Rygin King, that is played out. Now the meat of the matter, Rygin King, yeah, Rygin King is a very lucky man to be alive right now. Remember, Rygin King was shot up wicked in Jamaica, and based on information, he went to New York for therapy. It looked like say, in the process, him decided to stay, he married, and whatever the case may be. Now, for a man like Rygin King, were crippled and can't walk, probably barely can use him and good. We know saying crippled from the waist down, but probably can barely use him and good. Rygin King, where you are do a walk around with gun and so much clip. Me see people in the comment section and say, yo, Baseman when go through him have to strap up and whatever. And me nah say no. But if so be the case, I have some armed security. If a man approach Rygin King from side or from the other side, how fast will Rygin King be able to spin around to defend himself? Rygin King can't defend himself. All one baby can beat Rygin King and now. All one little baby. So what him a do? I walk around with gun. Rygin King, you're a very silly man. Yo, me I tell you, when I hear about silly at its best is Rygin King, a man there in a wheelchair, a man who is crippled from the waist down because of the gun. A man we can't even help himself. If a man, if I look a baby if I attack him, I walk around with gun. Come on, Rygin King, man. Get some security. You don't need that. And viewers and subscribers, that is my thoughts on this situation with Rygin King. We see him forward as when me say, look like him get bail and it seems like everything alright. I hope say yo, him get off of this. And I hope say him learn from this. Because obviously can't him when he get in Jamaica, him never learn. And it's so sad to know say yo that happen. Rygin King, tough out, one of the best we ever do it. That's what I say. Them man, they pave the way for most of ways right now. So one the best for him. But Rygin King, we can't want the best for you and you don't want the best for yourself. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, you have come to the end of another report. Please may I ask on like how to reach this far. Keep this video a like. Bless up.
The vibes, yeah, them dogs, them hype, how we do.